Now Dhoni, you can see, get underneath it, and a helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting. Shot. There it is, he's standing deep in the crease, and then the helicopter shot comes into play. Once again, the bottom man. There it is, the helicopter shot. Wow. Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. Well, the helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it. He knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was hit up the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out. But how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost. It's gone out off the ground.
That was worth coming to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Watch it every day of the week. Oh, brilliant. Unbelievable. Outstanding shot.
Goes again. Bottom hand over Warner. Second six. Look at the helicopter. Look at the bottom. Wonderful shot. And work with the wrist, propelling the ball in the air. Tempted to ask him if there was a helipad at the ground. He's...
He's safe. Reach pieces of back so far.
He mistimed this. Have a look at this shot. It's gone wrong completely. He's almost sliced it straight up. And look where it bounces. 5 meters and
10 of the over. Goes again. Make it 6 more. 16 of the over. What a shot again. If the previous one was on the onside, this one's on the offside. You can't keep this man quiet.